From CNA to RN, how to more than double your salary. Here's the complete roadmap. As a certified nursing assistant, you're earning a median of $39,530 per year. Registered nurses earn a median of $93,600. That's a 137% salary increase, roughly $54,000 more per year. Over a 30-year career, that's over $1.6 million in additional earnings. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects 189,100 RN job openings per year through 2034. With 5% job growth, the path takes 2 to 4 years of additional education, depending on which pathway you choose. There are 3 main pathways. Pathway 1 is the Associate Degree in Nursing, or ADN, through a community college. It takes 2 to 3 years and costs $10,000 to $25,000. This is the fastest and most affordable route. Pathway 2 is a Bachelor of Science in Nursing, or BSN, which takes 4 years and costs $40,000 to $120,000. It opens doors to management roles and higher pay. Pathway 3 is an accelerated BSN for those who already have a bachelor's degree in another field. This takes 11 to 18 months. All pathways end with the NCLEX-RN exam, which you must pass to get your RN license. Here's the exam sequence you'll face. First, most nursing programs require the TEAS exam for admission, a general aptitude test covering reading, math, science, and English. Then you'll complete your nursing degree. Finally, you'll take the NCLEX-RN, the national licensing exam. The NCLEX has a first-time pass rate of about 91% for U.S.-educated candidates. Your CNA experience gives you a real advantage. You already know patient care, medical terminology, and hospital workflow. Many programs even give CNAs credit for clinical hours. Ready to start your journey from CNA to RN? Begin with free practice tests at openexamprep.com. We have CNA, TEAS, and NCLEX-RN prep, all completely free. Start studying today.